Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Madhusmita. I am a certified ascension coach in Twin Flame Universe. I am a divine masculine twin flame, and here I am to share my experiences, my journey, and what has helped me to overcome the separation pain and moving along towards my harmonious union. I have started making videos so that you stay connected with me and see how the soul development is happening. That is the whole purpose of me connecting with you, to show you that love is real. So, currently, I am in a series of life purpose where it is all about manifestation of your dream, manifestation of your prosperity, your abundance, and all your money, right? And these are all qualities of your root chakra, your Mooladhara, right? And like even before coming to harmonious union, uh, the opening of Mooladhara, and the Mooladhara should stay in a activated state, in a active state, active and balanced state. That is also a block to be cleared before your harmonious union. So that is why clearing blocks towards your life purpose, clearing blocks for your money manifestation, all of this plays its role in on your journey to harmonious union. So my today's topic is my passion is my love for life. Yes, it has always been my passion. Even if I talk about, if I go back to my childhood when I was not at all knowing the anything about the life, at that moment also there was one point that was very clear to me, that I wanted to live my life. From my childhood itself, I never tried to follow the societal rule. Anyway, I was poor, so there was not much societal constraint, like there was not much like connection with the different things. So I was mostly into me. I was very open to express what I believe and what I feel. And somewhere my parents were in line with that. They had a resistance to it, but somewhere they allowed me to live that life. So I can always say that I have always attracted love in my life. There was like a deep desire, that love should feel like peaceful. It should not be efforting. Like when I wake up in the morning, my life should be full of abundance. That was always been my dream. In those days also, when there was no money, there was struggle for money. Even if during that time there was small desire, right? I used to keep, even if 50 paise, during my time it was like that. Even getting that 20 paise, 50 paise was a big thing. So I used to accumulate those, because I always had a desire to have a 5 star. During that time, having that 5 rupees 5 star was like my luxurious treat to myself. But I admire that quality now. When during that time, most of the people connect with that orange, that 5 rupees orange orange sweet bite. I still feel like, when all of my friends will be talking about, how that is so so amazing for them. I still feel like, why I never did that. For me, it was like whenever I used to get those money, I used to keep it, accumulate it, and then I used to buy my 5 star. Whenever I will reach my goal of 5 rupees, I will go and buy my 5 star. So during those days also I had because these are all intuitive qualities, that's why I said now also, like, if you don't have your money, and if you are resenting that you don't have a good education or successful educational background, still you can earn the prosperity, the abundance, like anything, by just tuning into your intuition and clearing your blocks. That's so beautiful. So the goal was always, to attract the thing that makes you feel good, right? I always liked that taste. Till now it is always 5 star is my preferred choice, not the Cadbury's. uh, anyway, now it is not a big dream, now the dreams are bigger, but the thing is all about how you need to attract money. Is very simple, like just having that love for life. Because what happens is, at times, when the accumulation of stress, anxiety, separation pain, all that things are going, then we disconnect with this part of life, right? This part of life is still in our control. So all of this knowledge is about that, even if you are going through all this thing, I just invite you to connect with this part of life where you had dreams. Maybe few years back you had a very lively dream, uh, and start working on it, because having that little love, maybe it could be very simple, of manifesting of any simple thing that you desire. Just start with that and see how the process is working for you. Because when you have even a little love, to have uh, very simple thing, maybe a furniture, just a furniture, just like this chair, or even this lamp, or anything, or maybe a simple mobile phone that you are desiring, or maybe a laptop, whatever it could be, whatever you are feeling desire to, have that desire in your life. Okay, because you are on earth, and it's a materialistic, is energy is materialistic. So if you have block towards material thing, is because there has been something, on your journey, that has created this hatred towards the materialistic life. But it is your relationship with that materialistic life. So you can always choose to be humble and loving towards anything that is around you. It could be a simple pen. Okay, it could be a very simple pen. So that is how you need to have that love for life. You never give up on the love for life. Like every day, there should be something that you want to manifest in love, right? When you love only, when you desire only, then you manifest very easily. So I invite you, when you are going through your twin flame journey, start working on your love for life. What is it? You can start making it itself. Just make a list. Simple. Just take a pen, take a paper, and just start writing your dreams. Maybe what you want to have in, like, have today, what you can have in week. Okay, maybe today you just want to give yourself a treat. That is absolutely fine, but having that desire, and going out and enjoying that meal with yourself, or maybe you can invite your divine friends who can accompany you. Rather than bothering you, there should be a company for you, and enjoy that. Or nobody else, it's all about you building that relationship with God. So go ahead and have that desire, have that love for life, because that's your beginning. That's where you are going to start the process of manifestation. Start feeling you are worthy of the life, and in that process you will slowly build on the momentum to attract anything that you desire. And that's how eventually you manifest your twin flame, because you are building on the energy to attract and manifest in the physical reality. So my passion has always been love for life. I have never been constrained, like my passion is only this activity or that activity. I have always been like, you just give me anything and I know how to get it done. That has always been uh, my life. It has always been my life, even I took my twin flame journey like that. Okay, I got to know twin flame thing by my awakening. So then once you start the process, then after it is your choice. The process will happen with a external force, right? The external force is your twin flame, or maybe your false twin flame, or maybe any other incidents, right? But once you know, after that it is absolutely your choice to commit, to persist, and to reach to the goal of manifesting it, because manifestation is the point of achievement and success. So what's the point living the life without a passion? So live your passion, love your passion. Thank you.